Jayden diss up Shanachen, a controller on Italian Live.
Bro, because of you, bro. You see it? Because of you, bro. Bro, the girl fling bumbo clot, padlock in a bumbo clot man face. And run gun in a bumbo clot car, make it look like say a gully papa tribe. Bro, you should have known so that girl they are wicked dog. A be a lie that girl I come up with. Me have screenshot, bro. The fuck? Are you gonna send man for you, man? You and your man. She never wanted to get help yesterday, bro. She never wanted man get help. She never wanted to get no help, bro. She just did want to throw up the man and never expect so much people would have come help him and dog. So why as she see that? Why as she see that she never start her life, bro? And show the people him say media Ashley with their Airbnb with Ashley. Why people are wait till them fall out for them want to come talk some fuck up things, bro? Why you never do it same time on your seat, bro? I mean I understand with people how people weird. People weird the fuck, bro. People weird the fuck. And if me say I want to go on the bumbo clock ranking tomorrow, me can go on the ranking tomorrow because me have bro, remember say my team Sean and on a team, bro. Remember say me have a team, bro. Remember say me have a team, bro. You see, you're not no team. You see. Remember say me, Bolo, and the blood clot man from England did that show you the game, bro. Don't forget that, bro. I don't want you to forget that, Chargy. Don't forget that, bro. I mean, I come on the live and talk about big pussy Sean and big pussy this car. Because me never have sex with you or me never try looking at no way. You see? You see me I say, bro? But all me I say,